Hello everyone, welcome back new brand video. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to fix WhatsApp receiving and sending voice message problem in iPhone and iPad. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen, then open your iPhone and iPad setting, then tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off this toggle at least the 30 seconds you have turned it on, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down, then tap on journal, then tap on iPhone storage. From here you scroll down and tap on WhatsApp. From here what you need to do it, offload your WhatsApp app, and after a few minutes you have again installed, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and tap on reset, then tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, then tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the method doesn't work, then go for the last method. Go back and open your app store. From here you search for this WhatsApp and tap on WhatsApp, and make sure that update your WhatsApp app. You as can see update, then tap on update, and after update your WhatsApp. I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.